マシーン。ゲームマシンの冒険者、シンセサイザーのプレイヤー、コンピューターの挑戦者。今マックスカートリッジで変身する。コンピューターをおもちゃにするのは僕たちだ。フレンドリーコンピューター、マックスマシーン。
Hello, this is Retro Marky, and I've got a bit of a treat today in the form of not one but two of these. It's a Max multicart, which has been made by a friend of mine. Actually made two of them. This is the version in the actual cartridge case, and down below I've got an open PCB version, and that pretty much brings my Max journey sort of to the end and the start in a sense, because it's the end of getting the Max working and being something I can actually explore, and it's the start because I can actually just play all the games that there's ever been made on the Max and see what this machine was really about. So what we're going to do is have a look at the games themselves just after I do a cut. Right, so I've done a cut now. I'm not sure how good or not this is going to come out on camera because I'm using a genuine CRT, and I've got to say the picture's absolutely gorgeous. Right, so if we just hit the reset button, we get a menu with some SID music. So this is every single, not just game, but version of games as well. So we've got Avenger version 1 and 2 and the C64 one, which is compatible. Billiards 2 copies, Clowns 2 versions, Jupiter Lander, ooh, like Jupiter Lander. Kickman, most of them have got a couple of copies. The nice thing about this that I'm really chuffed about is I've got the two basic cartridges, Max Basic and Mini Basic. Not particularly exciting, but nice to be able to look at the machine as an actual computer, and also to check the keys actually will work as well. So let's have a look at those first. Max Basic is O. So we've got 2047 basic bytes free, and it looks very much reminiscent of a C64, which is basically its older brother. I'm not a big fan of these keyboards, these membrane things. I had one on my ZX81 originally, it still gives me nightmares. But actually this one's not too bad, although if you're used to typing on a modern keyboard, then yeah, it is a bit slow and cumbersome. But at least I know it actually works, and that we've got a functioning computer, so that's good. Wow, there's even a shift lock. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Right, so that's that. Not much else to say about that. If we reset again, we've got Mini Basic, which I think is even smaller. Yeah, that's 510 bytes free. So the difference is the Max Basic actually adds a couple of K or so round to give you 4K usable. No, sorry, 2K usable, as it is. So it actually had built-in memory to the ROM cartridge. This one I think is just a more standard image, and we've got half a K free. That's even less than the ZX81. So that is unbelievable. It does click as well, not click, sort of beep slightly. Quite nice. Well, there we go, probably enough of that. Let's have a look at the games themselves. So Avenger we've seen before, but let's have a quick look at the difference between the 64 and the Max. Let's try Max version 2. So this is a basic Space Invaders clone, really. Actually not too bad. So let's not forget we've got SID chip in here, so the sound isn't too shabby. Be interesting to know if there's any of these games, or which one of these games pushes to the max the most to its limit. Push it to the max. Push your max to the max. Well, I can't see much difference between that and any other one, but let's try the 64 one. Oh, actually that's quite a bit different. The graphics are way off different. It looks fatter and chunkier. It's like, I think it's using a different resolution. Okay. So hold on, maybe the Max, I don't know. I'm telling you the Max had more resolution than 64. Can't be. Well, anyway. I'd have to check that and I probably can't be asked. But it sounds exactly the same, of course. Billiards, let's try version 2. I'm guessing that's the superior one. Not sure what. Just seems to be okay. There's no cue or anything, so I'm not quite sure how that's working. Oh, hold on. That was the demo mode. Okay, so we can move. What, is that the ball, or what does that mean? Oh, I see. Nice and intuitive. Actually, I find these games quite addictive. I used to play snooker on an Acorn Electron on a black and white TV. That was a challenge. Pick object ball. Set your aim. Boom. Oh, okay, so that's that. It's quite good actually. Bowling. Okay. Don't get games like this anymore, do you? So there's a left and right moving here. It's a bit like a sort of, sometimes you get this sort of thing on a golf game. Oh, I see. Then you select where, so you select left and right spin, I suppose, and then you've got to stop your man. Kind of game that looks not that great, but I can imagine being quite fun actually. Anyway, that's bowling. Clowns. Again, we'll try the newest version, version 2. This is based on an arcade game, I think, from Bally Midway. Okay. Not sure what's going on here. I assume I should be moving that guy, but I've got a feeling, I wonder if it's a 2-player only. We'll skip on, shall we? Ah, Golf, classic arcade game. I like games like this, unlocked. Yep, here we go. Kind of Space Invaders sort of clone, I suppose. A few extra bells and whistles, like the mothership at the top giving birth to the Invaders at the beginning. I think Golf has a few other levels as well, a few varieties, unlike Space Invaders, which is obviously set on one game on one screen. It's getting tough. Oh, I can move up and down. Don't know why I go closer towards them. I want to go back, if anything. This is a hard one actually. Not too bad though. Not too shabby. Jupiter Lander. So we've seen this before in my other Max video. I like this. I like this a lot. Whoa! There's something zen about this kind of game. I love the way the screen goes in there. So that's that one. Kickman. Not had the pleasure of this one, oh my word. left, right and kick. I guess this is what I've got to do, is kick the balloon things. Not the best use of the SID chip, but there we go. Hard to know what Commodore's intentions really were with the Max, whether it was... I mean, in some ways it feels more like, almost like a console, more towards a console than an actual computer. But then it is a computer, so the lack of RAM is disturbing, I would say. So, I mean, if you had one, that limited RAM, I mean, you wouldn't be able to program it, even a game like this. So I guess it was very much a cartridge-based machine, which is why it feels more like a console. Right, that's that one. Kick command. The ones we've seen before. It's all right. Oh no, kick command. Oh, okay. This is the 64 one. I pressed the wrong button, but actually, it's quite interesting seeing the differences. Different music, different graphics. Yeah, okay. Le Monde is N, not M, that's why I got it wrong. Oh no, I haven't seen this one. Oh, I was thinking of another driving game, okay. Night Driver. Oh, what? Yeah. I'm having a problem steering for some reason, so we'll move on. We've looked at basic, let's have a look at Money Wars. Go fetch 5 money bats on the right side, the falling arrows will electrocute you when you touch you. Right, okay, whatever. Can't be that hard. Can it? Okay, so you grab the money. Okay, very simple. Not too bad though. Played worse games. For its time it would have been fairly acceptable. Not the worst game I've ever seen. Okie dokie, I'll probably come back to that another time. Oh, we missed out Mole Attack Q, let's have a look at that. I think I might have played this on the 64 a while ago. Can't remember the controls, not very good anyway. It's more like almost like an educational music composer, music machine. Okay, how does that work? Okay. Choose instruments, play sample. Let's play sample. That's pretty charming. Choose its keyboard, piano. Okie dokie, it's kind of fun. Music machine, what's that then? Sort of similar, but more... Oh, I don't know what it is. It's a music maker thing. Amiga Race, V. Cool. Oh, this is interesting. Oh my god, I've never played a game where the high score chart can kill you. Bizarre. Oh, no, it doesn't kill you. But you do bounce into it. Is it one of those? No, so, okay, so you can't go through the screen, you've got to go round, bouncing around like this. I've got a feeling this, it's just like Space War or one of those early arcade games. It's actually not too bad. Pretty fast and smooth actually, it's really, yeah, not too bad at all. So I'm guessing there's no other stages, it's just this repeated. But yeah, it's not bad for an arcade game, it's alright. Oh, it's getting, oh, what's going on here? It's getting all bananas on me. That's not too bad actually, I might have to play that again. What else? Pinball. I like pinball games. Push, yeah, right, whatever. Right, let's go on to Radar Rat Race. Wow, that's a tiny little screen. Eek. Ah, so this is where the title music comes from, the Three Blind Mice, I see. Ah, I presume that yellow stuff, that's got, oh no. So I presume that's cheese, and you've got to cut the cheese maybe? There's a radar on the right as well, didn't notice that, okay. It's alright, I guess. A little bit of a maze game. Road race. Yeah, road race we've seen before in the other Max video. 10 out of 10 for effort, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I mean, there's no other cars. I don't think there are anyway. It's a nice idea to make 3D without huge amounts of processing power. Quite clever. Presume, yeah, there's no real objectives except for score on that one. Seawolf. This could be good. Bally Midway, another arcade port. Yeah, this is definitely my cup of tea. Not sure this is where I'm shooting from, if I'm supposed to be. I've got a funny feeling maybe my joystick's in the wrong port. I should be able to move left and right. I'm not quite sure though, I might be wrong. But yeah, there we go. We have seen that one, Seawolf Slalom. That sounds like a ski jobby. And it is. Oh, I see, okay. So the fire button speeds you up, gives you like a boosty thing. I mean, it's not bad. The games on the Max are, if you like sort of early arcade games, the early 80s, they're not bad. And there's a few original ones on there. By no means a disaster machine. Just got mucked up by it. Really, it was the keyboard that destroyed it. And that wasn't really the fault of Commodore, that was the fault of the people they contracted to make the keyboards. Too many of them failed, so. was it a third? No, I can't remember how many. A lot of them failed, the keyboards, and cost Commodore dearly. Okie dokie, what's next? Speed bingo maths. Oh, that sounds fun. Not. Let's play a game of arithmetic. No, thank you. Next. I'm not a fan of numbers. Super Alien. Whoa. Just get my binoculars out and we'll be good to go. This reminds me of a game I played on television, was it? So, oh, I see. You can put holes or something. Did I? Oh, bizarre. So I'm making these holes. I don't know if they're going to fall down them or what. Yeah, they do. Oh, okay. That's a bit of a weird one. Yeah. Visible solar system, which is educational. Actually pretty cool for something that was made such a long time ago. Press F1. Not quite sure how this works though. So we'll just move on, shall we? Wizard of War. Yeah, this is a good game. Kind of bizarre. Actually another game I played on in television. Quite addictive actually, this one. I think this is also a real arcade game if I remember. Very sort of sci-fi arcadey. Yeah, I forgot you can go through the screen at the other side. So there we go. That's pretty much, I think, everything. Is it everything? It is everything on this wonderful cart. Got to say thanks to Neil for making a couple of these for me, bringing my Max back to life, and having this cart has made me very happy indeed. So thanks for that, and thanks for watching, and got some more videos coming up on what I'll be doing. Possibly might have a look at this thin client soon, and I don't know, got loads of ideas knocking around, so we'll leave them as a surprise, shall we? Only time for me now to say, Retro Marky.